Good morning, Honorable President here. Myself Dr. P. Janarathna, and this is our second year E6 students, mechanical students. I am the assistant professor at the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Essex College of Technology. Today, our students they are going to explain about the case study which is related to the balancing of rotating masses as well as the balancing of reciprocating masses. Here we are having the 4 or 5 rotating masses are there. So our students they have to explain about the case study. They have to choose for avoiding the vibration as well as they can do the complete balancing. Okay, which will be elaborately explained by our students.
Good morning. We are going to discuss our case study of balanced reciprocating mass. We have this construction. We are going to demonstrate this construction how it's working, how the process of reducing vibration and how the mass is moving up and down. We have go through the components, DC components. We have cylinder, pistons, and crankshaft, and DC motor. So in this demo, we can be able to see the motion of the piston on different directions, and we are connecting a spring on the top of the demo. So we can be able to see the vibration, and we can reduce the vibration based on the piston moving on front and up and down. Our team members will discuss our working on the components in an elaborate manner.
This is a component of main crank, connecting rod, piston, cylinder chamber, head, and the motor to run the crank to rotate. The connecting rod is linked to piston to crank. The cylinder is a closed chamber to make chemical energy to mechanical energy. The head is used for air flow to correct open the inlet valve and open the exhaust valve in the timing of valve timing. The motor is used to run the crankshaft to run the crankshaft. This is a reciprocating engine. The reciprocating engine has a vibration by this type of movement.
So here we are getting the rotary
motion. They have a vibration. This in case study we have a resolution of dampering tools to reduce the vibration.
the parts are cylinder and the piston and the connecting rod and the crankshaft and the motor. We are using the spark plug and the 4 valve and this and the spring.
So the balancing process is achieved by increasing adjustable counter masses in proper angle and in proper distance from the rotating masses. So by adding counterweights the direction opposite to the vibration, we can dampen the vibration or reduce the vibration efficiently. So the counter masses is designed according to the vibration produced by the engine.
They have a degree rotors to prevent the vibration. The valve timing is accurate. If 5 degrees are previous open or 5 degrees are after open, the stroke is not complete. The vibration may have this level of vibration to prevent in reciprocating engine. The correct timing is important in IC engines.
We have discussed the full elaborate manner of the balancing reciprocating mass. I am going to summarize the short and brief of this full construction. I have already discussed the main components in elaborate manner, so our team will discuss. So I am going to discuss some more components and some more in elaborate manner. We have a DC motor. It consists of 240 volt. It rotates. Its shaft connected to the connecting rod and the shaft in parallel manner. It rotates. The piston moves up and down manner in different directions. So we can able to find how it's rotating on the which degree it's rotating. It needs to rotate 180 degree to complete one cycle. So if it's rotate up and down, we have vibration on the upward. So we are going to reduce the vibration based on the we have the suspension on the top of the constructions. So if the pistons move up and down, we can able to see the how vibrating is moving. So we are adding as option, so it reduces speed, reduce the vibration. So we have a small demonstration. This is a small demonstration of the sporting mass.
This is how a AC engine works. This is the suction stroke, suck the air fuel mixture from the cylinder cylinder, and then it compresses it into 400 to 700 degrees Celsius. This is the compression stroke. Then the spark plug will light in the current. The spark will burn the air fuel mixture. The air fuel mixture will burn to push the piston into downwards like this. This is the power stroke for the IC engine, and the compress the exhaust stroke into burn the gas into exhaust valve, and the repeat the cycle like first suction, compression, power, exhaust.
This is the first wing fixed in the upper side of the head, and this is a motor fixed in center of this crankshaft. The crankshaft will rotate, the piston move up and down. When the piston moves up and down, the vibration will you can notice in the swing socket.
Actually, the students are when they explained the case study. Actually, we are using the damping system to completely reduce the vibration by using the balancing